Hi, my name is Ahsa. Welcome to this square breath guided breathing meditation. This breathing technique involves breathing in and out at a certain pace, which may help relax the nervous system, calm the mind, improve focus, and reduce stress. As with any breathing practice, listen closely to your body, and if you notice yourself beginning to tense or feel uncomfortable at any time, release the technique and breathe at your own pace. Please come to a comfortable seat. Feel free to do any gentle stretches that will help your body relax even more. And when you're ready, start to slow any movement down and allow your body to come to a place of stillness. You can allow your eyes to fall closed or leave your eyes open with a soft gaze on the floor a few feet in front of you. If you're seated, allow the crown of your head to lift up towards the sky on your next inhale, lengthening through your spine. On the following exhale, allow your shoulders to relax down towards the earth. And notice if you're holding any tension in your face, your shoulders, or anywhere else in your body, and if so, on your next exhale, allow that tension to melt away from your body. Slowly begin to deepen your breath, making each breath a little fuller than the last. And notice the gentle rise and fall of your belly and chest as you breathe in and out. Bring your full awareness to your body breathing, and with each breath, allow your focus to sink more and more into your body. And if any thoughts float through your mind throughout our practice today, simply recognize that your mind is thinking, and then kindly bring your attention back to your breath. And now for our breathing meditation, the square breath. Visualize a square in your mind's eye. We will trace the sides of the square as we inhale for a count of 4, hold the breath in for a count of 4, exhale for a count of 4, and hold the breath out for a count of 4, and repeat. I will count each breath for you, but first, go ahead and exhale. And then take a deep breath in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath in for 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale 2, 3, 4. Hold breath out for 2, 3, 4. Breathe in 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, and hold 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, and hold 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, and hold 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, and hold 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, and hold 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, and hold 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, and hold 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, and hold 2, 3, 4. Last one. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. And now release the control of the breath and allow your body to breathe in and out at its own pace. And take a moment to notice how you're feeling after practicing this square breath. And while keeping your eyes closed, slowly begin to expand your awareness outward, becoming aware of the sounds and the smells and the space around you. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, gently sit back, take a stretch, and blink open your eyes. Thank you for practicing this square breath guided breathing meditation. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day.